students should be able to solve equations involving surds, indices, and logarithms. Firstly, let's look into indices. What is indices? Indices are the type of number that has a as the base and x as the power. The base can be in number or a variable, and x is the power. So there are three methods that we can use to solve index equation. Firstly, by using the properties of a to the power of x equal to a to the power of y, or by taking log of both sides of the equation, or we can simply use the method of substitution. For better understanding, let's check out examples that we have here. Example 1. Find the values of x which satisfies the equations 27 to the power of x plus 1 equal to 9 to the power of x minus 1. If you can see here, the bases for the both sides are not equal. For the left hand side, we have 27 as the base, and for the right hand side, we have 9 as the base. What we can do here is, we need to try to change the base if possible, so that we can compare the power to find out the answer. 27 we can change into 3 to the power of 3, and 9 we can change into 3 to the power of 2. Now we can solve the power. Becomes 3 to the power of 3x plus 3 equal to 3 to the power of 2x minus 2. And now, if you see here, the bases for the both sides are now equal. So, you just can compare the power here. We can have here 3x plus 3 equal to 2x minus 2. Now, solve for the x, you get x equal to negative 5. So, the method we use here is compare the power if same base for the method number 1. Now, for the second example we have here is 3 to the power of x plus 1 equal to 4 to the power of 2x. If you see here is, the bases for the both sides are not equal, and there's no way that we can reduce the base. What we can do here is by taking log of both sides. This is the case when the bases of both sides are different. Then we can solve using the logarithm properties. By taking log to the both sides, we have here is log 3x plus 1 equal to log 4 to the power of 2x. By using the properties of logarithm, the power we can bring forward so that we will become like this. X plus 1 multiplied with log 3 and 2 equal to 2x times log 4. Now, you can expand for the left hand side, becomes x log 3 plus log 3 equal to 2x log 4. Now you can rearrange that. Becomes log 3 equal to 2x log 4 minus x log 3. For the right hand side, we can see here is, you can try to factorize out the x that we have here. Like this, becomes x times 2 log 4 minus log 3. Now you need to rearrange x as the subject. For the left hand side, becomes log 3 over 2 log 4 minus log 3, and you will end up with the answer for the x, which is x equal to x 0.656. Can you tell me what method that we are using here? The method number 2. By taking log to both sides if these are different. Now we are moving for example C. 5 to the power of 2x plus 1 equal to 6 times with 5 to the power of x minus 1. In this case, we can see that there are some terms are similar. But before that, we can try to change the 5 to the power of 2x plus 1, 5 to the power of 2x plus 1 equal to 5 to the power of 2x times with 5 to the power of 1. So, in this case, 5 to the power of 2x will become 5 to the power of x times 2, or to the power of 2. So, 5 to the power of 2x plus 1, we can rearrange, becomes like this. 5, 2x minus 6, 5x plus 1 equal to 0. In this case, we can see that 5x are the similar terms that we can see here. So we can let the 5x becomes u, a new variable, to make it simpler. Then it becomes 5u squared minus 6u plus 1 equal to 0. And then we can factorize for the equations to solve for the u. 5u minus 1 times with u minus 1 equal to 0. And then u will become equal to 1 over 5 and u equal to 1. Next is, you need to rewrite the 5x equal to u so that 5x equal to 1 over 5 and 5x equal to 1. For the left hand side, if you notice, 1 over 5 is 5 to the power of negative 1. So in this case, we can try to compare the power that we have here, since the bases are similar. So, x equal to negative 1. For the right hand side, 5 to the power of x equal to 1. If you notice here, 1 is actually 5 to the power of 0. We can see that the bases are the same, so we can just compare the power. Hence, x equal to 0. So, can you tell me what's the method that we are using here to solve the indices? Yes, it is method number 3, which is we can use substitution if we have similar terms in one equation. So that's all today. Thank you. Well done.